In this video, I'll be showing you how you can start a private session on Spotify. Basically meaning that other people who follows you cannot see what you're listening to. It is super simple. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your Spotify. Then you need to go up here to the three dots up in the left-hand corner. Click on this. Click on File. And then you have the opportunity to either click on private session or offline session. An offline session is only for premium users, where you go offline and can only hear whatever songs or podcasts you have downloaded, while private session is online and also for free users. So I'm going to click private session. And as you can see up here, now my private session has started. And it will end the second I quit or close down my Spotify. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!